Teaching a lefty to write numbers. If you have a little lefty and you're a righty, you may have some difficulty teaching them how to hold the pen, the direction of the paper, or the direction of the numbers when they write. So, my first video shows you how to hold a paper. My second one shows you the alphabet. Now we're going to cover the numbers. 1 is going to be the same, of course, as a right-handed person. It's just straight down. 2 is probably the same as a right-handed person, and the reason I say probably is because I am a lefty, and I have trouble figuring out how you right-handed people do it. 3 is made pretty much the same way, I'm sure, as a right-handed person. 4 also. Now you may see a lefty want to make a 4 like this. They'll come down, and instead of going straight across this way, what they'll do is they'll come down and go in this way towards the left. We have a tendency to do that a lot. We have a tendency to go that way, which is what we would do on a 5. We would start up here and go down, and then we would come down and around. The 6 is going to be the same as a right-handed person. 7, you may see them start here and go across to the left and then down, or you may see them make it like a right-handed person like this. It depends on what's more comfortable for them. The 8, though, that is definitely a lefty. We start on this side, come down, around, and then come back up again. 9, I'm sure, is like a right-handed person. And then the 0 is going to be like the way we print an O. We're going to start this way and come around and go that way. That is the numbers. So now let me show you some math signs. We're going to come down, and then we're going to cross the plus by heading towards the left. Our minus sign is going to go towards the left. Our division sign is going to go towards the left, and our equal signs are going to go towards the left. When we make an X for times table, or the letter X, we generally start on this side and then cross it on that side. So, these are the basics of how a lefty writes numbers. And to reiterate the way the paper goes, a right-handed person would tilt their paper this way. Well, lefties tilt their paper this way. So it looks like it's going on a 45-degree angle up a hill. The reason for doing this is if we were to write it curved this way, it would be very hard for us to write our letters. Not only is our hand going to drag through the ink or the pencil, and we'll get it all over the back of our hand here, but it's very difficult to go in this downward direction. If we keep it straight, we'll have a tendency to write backhanded, which is very uncomfortable, and a lot of lefties do it because they're trying to keep their hand clean because the ink will dry on the previous line by the time they get to it. The most comfortable is writing uphill and turning the paper on the 45-degree angle and then writing uphill, and then that way our hand is out of the ink and we can comfortably write as if we were writing backhanded, except we're not. Our wrist is straight and comfortable. So, that is how you would hold the paper for a lefty. I hope my videos have helped you, and I'm going to be teaching how to write cursive for a lefty in the next video.